on top of this. You just have to, yes, and this goes in, right? Again, so at the side, just see where the clip is. This is the clip, this is the mat, and from the tiny hole, zoom into the hole, and you can see how it's like a little bit on. Just have to push the mats, and then you just have to push the mats a little bit more. Yeah, now it's seated. Okay, now you just have to press the mat. You have to see here, you just have to make this go on the sliders. Just press it a little so that the sliders can function normally. Now you just have to make this mat sit. Yeah, it's all done.